Good morning, children. Today we are going to do worksheet 9. It is about grammar. Shall we start? Okay, children. Read the following nouns and write in correct column. What we have to do? Read the following nouns and write in correct columns. So we'll read the nouns: water, curd, satin, teacher, Saritha, dancer, Saturday, April. Now children, all these are noun. Now you can see over here two columns are given: common noun, proper noun. So one number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here we have to select which is common noun, which is proper noun. So water. Water is what? Common noun. Why? Because at your place, everywhere, in all the taps, if you have bathroom, kitchen, wash basin, sink, over there, if you open the tap, water is flowing, right? So water is a common noun. So we have written water over here. Water. C-U-R-D, curd. Curd is also a common noun. S-A-T-U-R-N, satin. Satin is a name, so it is a proper noun. So we've written in proper noun column. Teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Teacher is a common noun. In a school, all the teachers work together. It is male or female. You will call that teacher, teacher only, right? And subject teacher, if you want to meet, you will give the name to that teacher. Otherwise, all the working in a school are called teachers only. Sarita. Sarita is a name, so it is a proper noun. Dancer. Dancer is a common noun, so it goes in common noun. Saturday. Saturday is a proper noun, it is the name of the day. And April. April is the name of the month. So once again we will read common nouns: water, curd, teacher, dancer. Proper nouns: satin, Sarita, Saturday, April. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Write plural forms of the following nouns. Okay, children. So this is what? First one, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. So what will you write over here? B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. Then watch. So W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. Then next, glass. G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. Then calf. C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Star. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Man. M-E-N, men. So dear children, did you follow the singular and did you follow the plural of this? So once again we will write brush, brushes, watch, watches. C-H-S-H is there. So in the end what we have add E-S. What we have written? E-S. Glass, glasses, E-S. Calf, calves, V-E-S. Stars, stars. And men, A. So we have written E, M-E-N, men. Now we'll go to the next page. We will do now fill in the blanks with A, N or the. Scientists have discovered dash new planet. Scientists have discovered dash new planet. So what will you write over here? Scientists have discovered a new planet. 2 number, dash planet seems to be a solid diamond. So what will you write? The. T-H-E, the. The planet seems to be a solid diamond. There is dash cinema hall there. So what will you write? There is a cinema hall there. 4 number, we sometimes go to see dash adventure films. So A-N-N, adventure. Why I've written N over here? Because A is a vowel over here. So A-N-N. Now once again we will say, children, scientists have discovered a new planet. The planet seems to be a solid diamond. There is a cinema hall there. We sometimes go to see an adventure film. Now we'll go to the another exercise, children. Fill in the blanks by using S. The dash tail is short. So what will you write? D-O-G apostrophe S, and dog's tail is short. Then this is the cage. This is the cage. So what we'll write? This is the dash cage. Parrot is there. So what we'll write over here? P-A-R-R-O-T and apostrophe S, parrots. These are the dash eggs. So hens, H-E-N apostrophe S, hens. That is my room. So brother. So B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers. This is my dash car. So sister. So S-I-S-T-E-R-S, sisters. So dear children, what you have to do over here, the words are given in the bracket. So what you have to write over here? D-O-G, dog, and then you have to just put a apostrophe and it becomes dogs, right? Then this is the dash cage. So parrot spelling is given. So parrots we write. So dear children, this is this exercise. Once again we will repeat. The dog's tail. This is the parrot's cage. These are the eggs, hen eggs. That is my brother's room. This is my sister's car. Okay, now we'll go to the next page. Complete the poem. What you have to do? We have to complete the poem. A smile is quite a funny thing. What is smile? Quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. It wrinkles. W-R-I-N-K-L-E-S. Wrinkle up your face. Then next line, what will you write? And when it's gone. And when it's gone, you will never find. And when it's gone, you will never find. You will never find. His secret hiding place. His secret hiding place. His secret hiding place. Okay. But far more wonderful it is. But far more wonderful it is. So dear children, you have to write this poem. In this, you have to complete the poem in the following lines which blank is given. Okay. So once again we'll say the poem. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. And when it's gone, you will never find his secret hiding place. Its secret hiding place, but far more wonderful it is. Okay children, so this exercise you have to do in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.